Okay guys, so I'm not gonna do the normal talking head and b-roll video about this case, so I'll give you an overview by way of like a tour around this case. Alright, because I have no other excuse aside from want to do this quick because I still have a lot of builds to do. Thank you Rakk for sending me a sample of the Galura. Let's see. On their website, it's priced at that 3,695 pesos. So what you get out of that is this case with a couple of 200mm fans and a 120 for the exhaust. Those are RGB. They can be controlled using this. You just connect them, and or motherboard software. They'll work both ways. So up front, we have the mesh front panel, which is really good. I like that. I made a custom logo, by the way. Rakk's logo is down here, but we only need one. Sorry, Rakk. I have to move you out of the way. Now inside, this is an RTX 3080 Trio MSI. It's a huge graphics card, and see, this case can handle it, and there's still space in there. Now, cable management, right? You have holes in there, right? The cables. There's this cover right here. I mean, we've seen this in other cases, and it works all right for covering like where the cables are coming out from the back, right? So in a way, that's like rubber grommets but cleaner. So they have the same like goal to hide where those cables are coming out from. Now, this case can cover up to an ATX motherboard, but I only use an MATX because that's what we have for this build. But ATX should not be a problem. You still have plenty of space down there. Built-in PSU cover. Hear how that is? It's thick, and this one's heavy. This is the first time that I've like received the case from Rakk that's this heavy. Even without the build or the parts yet, it was heavy. So the quality of this case is really good. Now, in terms of the graphics card, vertical mounting is the thing right now, but we didn't decide to do that with this because we don't have a riser. But if you do, you can mount it without any modding. Now, there are holes here which will like help you mount the PCIe riser, but if it doesn't fit here, because they have different mounting holes, if they don't fit, it's okay, just let it hang, and that will work. Also, up top, dust filter, fancy dust filter right here, right? It's magnetic. See, magnetic, it sticks, and it has this plastic frame. So it's not gonna like get wrinkled or what. Up there you can put up to a 360mm radiator. Two 140s. Now just stick with 120s. So either 240 or 360 radiator. Right? Up top you got your power, USB 3.0, to a couple of 2s, mic, the usual suspects, and the RGB for the fans. So let's switch this thing on. There you go. There's your RGB. Now I set it to white because to match the build, of course. And if you press this, there, it comes off spitting rainbows now. That's all right. You can set it up later again to white. And what else do I need to tell you about this? The back of the case. I'm not gonna open that up because this is a done build. I'm not gonna mess it up no more. But trust me when I say that there's enough space back there for cable management, because this one has 3 PCIe connectors, and I was able to put extension cables and route all the cables behind this case, and it still came out clean. Hard drives, there's your mount, the hard drive cage. And I don't know if you guys can see, but there's that like rail down there, so you can move the hard drive cage to the front or lean backwards if you need the space in here. Custom water cooling. I do a lot of custom water cooled PCs, and I say that this will work. Yeah, this will work for a custom water cooled PC, but you have to consider the length of the graphics card, because yeah, you need a place where to put that pump reservoir on. Not unless you're gonna use that all-in-one CPU water block pump thing. Then yeah, this case is all right. Then just use one radiator. Yeah, that's a long story. If you have questions how you can custom water cool this case, just leave it in the comments. But for now, yeah, I think this video is about done. Done. Right? There you go. If you have questions, as I said, leave it in the comments. Now, if you're in the US or somewhere else aside from the Philippines, unfortunately, this case won't be available for you guys because Rakk is a local brand here in the Philippines. And I'm gonna end this video now. Thank you very much. Stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye.